Okay, so to show the next stage that we've got to do, the next step that we've got to do, I've got a completed mold here, and you can see the slot that goes on the end of the mold that I'll put a 3/8 inch threaded rod into to hold the two halves of the mold together and to hold them nice and straight. So that's what we've got to do next in the halves of our mold. So I've got one half here. You can see I've set up the router table. I've got a 3/8 inch router bit sitting there. It's sticking up about 5/8 of an inch. And I've already cut one slot here, just as a test. And so I've got my fence all set up, and I'll show you putting one of these through. You've just got to make sure that you're getting the cut through the middle of the slot, or through the middle of the mold, the core. And we're going to do both halves exactly the same, so that once we put that threaded rod in there, we can hold the two ends together nice and tight. So I'm going to mask up, and I'll be right back and show you how this is done. Okay, so we're ready. Let's give it a shot.